Hello viewers, in this video we will talk about DoCoMo's communication failure. Entity DoCoMo's mobile phone service suffered a nationwide communication failure on the 14th September. From around 5 p.m. on the same day, it became difficult to connect to voice calls and the internet communication. The company revealed that the communication network was restored after about 3 hours. But the impact was prolonged even after the restoration because the usage was restricted to prevent the rapid increase of communication data of mobile phones. It may be a serious accident for which the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communication requests a report. Even after midnight on the 15th, DoCoMo's users continued to post "I can't connect" and "I can't use it outside the service area."